Hello, I'm James Harvey, the professor of music theory at the College of Southern Nevada with 5-Minute Music Theory. In this video, I'm going to show you a nifty little trick to find the root of a triad or a seventh chord. Because once you find the root, you can do a lot of work on the chord. And remember, the root is not always going to appear in the bottom of the chord. So I'm going to write a grand staff, and then I'm going to write a 4-voice chord like this. So the first step is to gather your pitches and collect them into a collection of pitches. And what we have here is an F sharp, and that's in the bass. We have a D, we have an A, and we have another D. So our pitch collection is F sharp, A, and D. So eventually you'll get used to the possible spellings of triads because there's really only 7 of them. But until you get until that point, you can use this method, which I affectionately call the snowman method. And the way that this works is you take these pitches in the pitch collection and you put them close together. So I'm going to imagine these pitches close together on the staff. I'm not even going to worry about the accidental because all I'm looking for is the root. And if I put the F on the bottom, notice we have this little gap here, like the snowman's head has been cut off. You'll see what I mean when I have a full snowman. If I put the A in the bottom, we have another sort of awkward gap. However, when I put the D on the bottom, we get all these notes very neatly stacked up, looking like our happy snowman. I'll put a little happy face on him because neither his head nor his legs are cut off here. Now, once you've found your happy snowman, you found the root position version of this chord, which means that D is the root. And then this chord, D, F sharp, A, if I put them in order, is a D major triad because D to F sharp is a major third, D to A is a perfect fifth. So that's sort of a quick way to find the root of a chord. You can do the same thing with seventh chords. It's just that your snowman's going to look a little funky because he has an extra appendage. How about let's take a chord that has these notes. I'm going to put a G, a C, an E, and a B. So first off, once you've identified that you have 4 pitches, you know you're looking at a seventh chord because triads don't have 4 pitches. They only have 3. And we have here in our pitch collection G, I'll put them over here, G, C, E, and B. And if I arrange this in 4 different arrangements with each note appearing in the bass, there's only going to be one of these arrangements in which the notes are neatly stacked one on top of the other. And in fact, we found it the second time through if we put the C in the bass. So what that means is that C is the root. And then once you've found the root, you just line the pitches up in order, in ascending order from that root. So C, the next one in the alphabet would be E, G, B. There's our chord, C, E, G, B, which spells a C major 7th chord. Once you get quick at your 7th chords, you can figure that out quickly. There's a couple of other methods for finding this. And like I said, there's only a few different arrangements of triads. And here they are. If we start with A, it's going to be A, C, E. We have B, D, F. We have C, E, G. We have D, F, A. And then 3 more. We have E, G, B, F, A, C, and G, B, D. And that's absent of any accidentals, but remember the accidentals don't actually change the letters, and you don't need to know the accidentals to find the root of the chord necessarily. These are the only triad spellings that there are. There's only these 7. And then if we add a 7th on top of each of those, there's only 7 7th chord spellings. So going back to that first chord that we looked at, we had an F sharp, an A, and a D. The only one of these that matches those 3 pitches is DFA, and you found your root of D, which is really useful because once you found the root, you can figure out what the chord is. If you don't know what the root is, you don't really have any way of determining what the quality or really anything else is about that chord. Thank you.